You look after the young lady.
Right you are, sir. This is quite a treat for me, miss.
Is it?
Oh, don't touch that, please, miss. Oh, yes, it's a lonely life up in the lighthouse, you see. I go out sometimes and talk to the seals, you know, just to get a change from Reuben and Ben.
Seals are animals?
Well, yes.
That is stupid. You should talk often with the old ones of your tribe. That is the only way to learn.
I'll get you a hot drink, miss.
Oh, I've done some dry clothing.
He's a freaking nerd. Checks worse than freaking Jesus.
As far as I can tell, a massive electric shock. He died instantly.
The generator? Oh, you're always so careful.
It was very dark.
We had a lantern. Oh, I don't believe it.
Vince, you'd better go and tell old Reuben what's happened.
I do not believe the machine killed him. Then what?